curly, half up, half down.
I said I'm living my best life. I said I'm living my best life. Made a couple.
Hey guys, so I know I've been gone for quite some time now, but I am back. I'm back. Yeah, I hope I'm back to stay. I'm not gonna say I'm back to stay, but I'm back. I'm gonna try to post at least once or twice a week. Guys, I just had a lot going on with school and work, and I was drained from school and work. So I decided to come to you guys today with this neutral eye and bright lip. I did want to tell you guys that my ring light did break, so I have a whole new setup right now. Until I can find a new ring light. Hopefully this works well for me. Hopefully it gives you guys great quality in my videos. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know that I am back, and sorry that I've been gone for so long. I didn't want to do you guys like that, but I just had a lot going on. So like I said, I'm going to try to post at least once or twice a week, but I thought I would come to you guys again with this bold lip that I never do. I never do bold lips, guys, never. So it's crazy that I did a bold lip and then a neutral eye. I do a red lip every now and again, but something like this is crazy. So I used two of my Anastasia lipsticks in the color Carina and Rio, and they just look like this. I'm not gonna hold them too close up because it'll wash out, but they look like this. And I got makeup all on my hands. They're kind of similar in color, so I just mixed them a little bit. But yeah, so you guys have seen the video, everything I do. Of course, I have everything in the description box, and I have everything on the screen for you guys. So yeah, I am happy to be back, and I hope you guys are not too mad at me. So hope you guys enjoy and continue to watch if you want to see how I got this look. Bye.
Yeah. Feelings so deep in feelings. No, this ain't really like me. Can't control my anxiety. Listen to the heart go. Ladies can't back it up, can't back it up, can't back it up, back it up, can't back it up, back it up, can't back it up. Ladies can't back it up, can't back it up, can't back it up, back it up, can't back it up. Hold up. Listen to the heart go. Ladies can't back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Ladies can't back it up, back it up. Ladies can't back it up, can't back it up, can't back it up, can't back it up, back it up, can't back it up, can't back it up. Ladies can't back it up, can't back it up, can't back it up, back it up, can't back it up. Hold up. Listen to the heart go. Ladies can't back it up, can't back it up, can't back it up. Ladies can't back it up. So ladies, booty bounce to this. Yeah. Feelings so deep in feelings. No, this ain't really like me. Can't control my anxiety. Listen to the heart go. Ladies can't back it up, can't back it up, can't back it up, back it up, can't back it up. back it up, back it up, back it up. Hold up. Listen to the heart go. Ladies came back it up, back it up. Came back it up. Ladies came back it up. So ladies, booty bounce to this. Yeah. Feelings so deep in feelings. No, this ain't really like me. Can't control my anxiety. Listen to the heart go down. Ladies came back it up, back it up, came back it up, back it up, came back it up, back it up, came back it up. Ladies came back it up, back it up, came back it up, back it up, came back it up. Hold up. Listen to the heart go down. Ladies came back it up, back it up, back it up. Ladies came back ladies came back it up, came back it up, came back it up, came back it up, back it up, came back it up, came back it up. Ladies came back it up, came back it up, came back it up, back it up, came back it up. Hold up. Listen to the heart go down. Ladies came back it up, came back it up, came back it up. Ladies came back it up. So ladies, booty bounce to this. Yeah. Feelings so deep in feelings. No, this ain't really like me. Can't control my anxiety. Listen to the heart go down. Ladies came back it up, came back it up, came back it up, back it up, came back it up, back it up, came back it up. Ladies came back it up, came back it up, came back it up, back it up, came back it up. Hold up. Listen to the heart go down. Ladies came back it up, back it up, back it up. Ladies came back ladies came back it up, came back it up, came back it up, came back it up, back it up, came back it up, came back it up. Ladies came back it up, came back it up, came back it up, back it up, came back it up. Hold up. Listen to the heart go down. Ladies came back it up, came back it up, came back it up. Ladies came back it up. So
So this is it for my tutorial, and like I said, guys, I'm going to try to be back as much as possible. And I promise y'all, looking in this mirror, my face matches my neck. It's just, I don't know, the fact that I have a tan or what, but my lighting probably, it's probably a little bright, but I wanted you guys to be able to see everything. So this is the finished look for this video, and I thank you guys so much for staying with me, and I hope y'all not too mad at me that y'all can't, you know, like watch my video and, you know, participate in the comments. I hope y'all ain't too mad at me, but I'm back, guys. I'm back. I'm gonna try to film at least once or twice a week because I'm off on Fridays and Saturdays, so I want you guys to bear with me, okay? Bear with me. Stay with me, okay? But thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial, which will not be 8 months away, okay? So I will see you guys later. Bye.